I feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So I like to do this video every month. I receive the Boxycharm boxes in the mail. They cost $21 a month and I pay for them myself. Boxycharm does not send them to me for free, so you get a nice, honest opinion from me. And as you guys know, I like to be honest. Let's go ahead and jump into this box. So the first thing that we see in here is they always put this little pamphlet inside the box, and on the back a lot of times there are coupons for different products, so that's pretty awesome. And in here, the theme, every month there's always a theme of the box, and this month's theme is alter ego. So this is the card that they send, and then it kind of lists down here everything that's in the box. And so let's go ahead, and I'm just going to run through everything in the box, and then if you guys want to see me try these products on and test them out, then that will be in the end of the video. So the first thing that I tried out already was this Green Clean. It's by Pharmacy, and it's a makeup melt away cleansing balm, and it was made exclusively for Boxycharm. This right here is MSRP was $22, and it's a cult favorite makeup cleansing balm. It melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on the skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. So that is this, and I did use it earlier, but I didn't use it on camera because it's like a cleaning product and it's kind of like a pain. But when you open it, it has like this little thing that is on top, and then it seriously smells like green tea-ish and minty-ish. You guys know I like to smell stuff. It smells good, and as you can see, it's like it's not necessarily like a jelly, but it's like a melty, kind of reminds me of the consistency of chapstick. It did a pretty good job at cleaning off my face. I used it this morning to wash my face before I applied any makeup, so I will keep using this. And this is a big, there is 1.7 fluid ounces in here, so that's a lot of product in here, so this will last for a long time. I will continue using this and I will let you guys know what I thought of it. The next thing that I ended up using was the Dermovia, and it's these Dermovia Lace Appeal. I don't want to get it. Lace Appeal. So it's the Lace Appeal with compression technology, black bamboo charcoal peel off mask, intense exfoliating facial mask with a compression lace support. So it says peel intensity is level medium, and there's two in here, and it has like a little tubey of like face, like there's a gel that they put on your face that's a peel off gel, and then you place, as you'll see in this clip right here, there you just place this lace thing on your face, and it gives you the directions on the back. So it says clean and dry your face. I did that. Apply the layer and peel. Apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas. Avoid your eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. So you'll see like I was really trying to avoid all that. And then line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to the areas where the paste was applied. Place ear slits securely around your ears. Pull the end of the chin straps with loops around your ears, and then you wear this mask for 15-20 minutes until dry, and then peel it off in a downward motion, and then you apply a rag to wash off anything that was left over. So I'm just gonna say, this thing was freaking painful. Like my face still kind of burns, and I did that like an hour ago, and my face is still kind of burning. Like, so if you have any hair, like peach fuzz on your face, or I don't recommend this mask. It says medium intensity, but like, bro, that really hurt my face. So I'd say it's definitely more than a medium intensity. Like, it really hurt. I was like, oh. And I was actually filming this, but for some reason my camera wasn't filming, so you don't see me like rip it off, but it did really hurt. So be aware of that. If you're gonna try this and you get this in your box, be careful because it still burns. Like my face is really, really sensitive. Like right here, like it's still hurting. So I'm being careful about that. Not cool. I don't know if I'll use this one again. I might use like the actual peely, like the actual mask part, but I don't know if I'm gonna use the actual lace parts to rip it off because it freaking hurt. So, I don't know about that. And the price of this is $30. Yeah, I don't know about that. Moving on. So, okay, now we're getting into the products that I haven't used. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is a full-size product, which I love that about Boxycharm. So it's the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Let's see, the MSRP is $24, which I would say that's definitely true. If you go to Ulta, you'll see it in there. And it says, wrap your lashes in length, volume, boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. I actually have a miniature version of this that I haven't used yet, so I think I'm gonna save this for when I actually need a new mascara, but I will try out the mini version of this. We're gonna give this a shot. The next thing in here that I'm seeing is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks. Okay, so I've never tried any of her liquid lipsticks. I know Lolita. Oh, and I got Lolita. So this is Lolita, and I heard that like Lolita was like the most popular of hers, were like really highly hyped. So I'm interested to see what I think about this color and about this formula. I'm kind of picky with my liquid lipsticks because I feel like they really dry my lips and kind of make them crack and stuff. Hopefully I'll like this. And the MSRP on this is $20. It says, enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort that they deserve. And then the last thing that I'm seeing in this box is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So it has eyeshadows and blushes in here. The Pure Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade Palette. The MSRP on this is $38. And it says a 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. That was a mouthful. It looks like we have just right here and then maybe highlights right there. And then we have 6 eyeshadow shades. Oh, it said it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly. So that is this. So let's go ahead and jump into this try-on part. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is we're going to use this Masquerade palette. I'm interested to see, I've tried a few things from Pure that we've gotten in the boxes. They're not always my favorite. I found a few that I thought were good, but for the most part, I'm not a big fan of Pure. That's just my personal preference. If you like it, that's cool. This is what it looks like, the package. That's pretty. I like the hieroglyphic, I like the mask. So even if I don't like this palette, I think it's pretty. This is what it looks like on the inside. And then it does have a mirror in there. So let's go ahead and jump into this palette. So far, like first impressions of it, I'm not really loving the colors of this palette. It looks like there is 1 matte and 5 shimmer colors, so you don't really have much of a variety. I wouldn't necessarily say that you're gonna travel with this. You might just use this, you know, for one of those shimmery colors to put on your lid. But we're going to just do a quick eye look with this and hope for the best. Okay, so since there's only 1 matte color in here and there's no light colors, I went ahead and I did prime my eyelids. I just used my concealer, my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, and I'm just gonna go into that color Twilight, which is actually one of those highlighter colors. I'm gonna go into that and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. So I'm just gonna use that as like an all over color to set down my concealer, since we don't have any kind of light colors in this palette. It's kind of shimmery. I don't know how I feel about it being a highlighter. So if you like a subtle highlighter, I'm still gonna try to highlight with it, But if you like a subtle highlighter, then this is probably like right up your alley. But I kind of like that it's not that shimmery, so I can use it as an eyeshadow, but without being too crazy, you know. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go into the only matte color that's in here, and it's this brown color right here. I do like that it has the names on the actual palette. This one's called Sneak Peek, and it's like a dark chocolate brown, and it was, ooh, it's pretty pigmented. So I'm just gonna take that, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. We're just gonna do like a simple out the door kind of a look. Wouldn't really have an option. So it is blending out really well, so that's good. It's pigmented, but it does blend out. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're just gonna do one quick color on our lid. Let's go into that color Mask Off, which is that really, really pretty green color right here. We're just gonna go into this green color and we're just gonna apply that to our lid. Okay, so that is our eye look. Very, very simple. I think it looks pretty nice and didn't take me very long at all. Now I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna just run a little bit of that green color under my actual lash line. Alright, so I did get a little bit of fallout, which is normal. For only using 2 colors, I don't think that this looks bad. I think that it looks like I actually tried today. So let's go ahead and jump into the blush colors. We have 2 different choices. Well, technically it's probably 3, but I don't really know about those ones. Those ones look really shimmery. Let's swatch it. Oh, that one's like really purple. They look more like eyeshadows to me than blushes. For the sake of that's what they said it was, we're gonna use it as a blush. I'm kind of nervous, but let's go in with the purplish one. It's called Reveal. Okay, so it's not super pigmented, so, oh. It looks way different swatched on your hand than it actually does on your face. And then let's go ahead and go into the color Enchantment, which is this like brownish coppery color. And we're gonna mix the color Twilight and that together and kind of do a highlight and see. Definitely really subtle. Not my favorite. Not my favorite highlight. And then as you can see, let me show you. The pan, they're very powdery. See all the fallout? So that's something to keep in mind. Overall, not a bad palette. Is it my favorite? No. Moving on to mascara. The Superhero, I got it as a birthday gift. So instead of opening the big one, I'm just going to use the little one. So it's the same mascara, it's just a smaller version. Let's try out this mascara. I've heard good things about this mascara though. It's definitely separating and lengthening them and making them look thicker. Overall, nice mascara. I'm not really sure if it flakes off. That's one of my biggest pet peeves with mascaras. So hopefully it doesn't. I would be comfortable wearing this out without lashes. I think it definitely does something to your lashes. Do I think it looks as good as false lashes? No, but I mean, I have wimpy little lashes. So overall, I do like this mascara. I will have to continue to keep trying it to decide if it flakes or not, but overall, not mad that this was in the box. Full size, $24. I think that's awesome. The last thing in the box is the lipstick. So let's go ahead and put on this lipstick. It's sealed. So I did get the color Lolita, like I said. All right, well, let's apply this. I do like her packaging though, it's pretty. I've always been tempted to try this, but I'm a cheap bitch and I don't like to spend a lot of money on lip products. I mean, like, if we're being serious. It goes on really, really well. I'm not normally a big mauve-y pink. I don't really wear a lot of pink makeup or pink lipstick. I would say it's definitely not patchy at all. So I know a lot of liquid lipsticks, you can't like keep going over them. So far, like, this is a nice lipstick. I do like the color though. I normally don't like I said, the mauve pink colors, but I'm not mad at this lipstick color. Okay, it's dry. It's definitely kiss proof, so I didn't leave anything on, and it's not really sticky. It's maybe like a little bit, maybe it's not fully dry right there in the middle, but it's not really sticky, and overall I do like this lipstick. I'm actually really glad we got this in the box. Okay, so my final thoughts on this box. I really liked this box. I love that we got the mascara. That's freaking awesome. I really like it. As long as it doesn't flake, I'm really excited about this. I've always wanted to try this mascara. I've heard raved reviews about it, and I'm glad that we got this in the box. The next thing that I'm excited that we got in the box is the Kat Von D lipstick. I've heard so many people talk about this lipstick, how it's their favorite. I even got a really good color. I know a lot of people got a lot of weird colors, like bright, crazy colors, and I got a very wearable color. I love that. Thank you, Boxycharm, for that. And then the other thing that I'm excited about is this palette. It's not necessarily like my favorite palette, but it was a really simple look. It looks put together. It looks nice. So overall, I'm really happy with this palette. And I would say that the thing that I'm the least excited about was those masks, because they freaking hurt my face. So not a fan of the mask. The cleansing balm, I don't know, we'll see. My face is really sensitive, so we'll see if it breaks me out. So the only thing I did not like was the mask, because it really hurts your face, so be careful with that. Overall, I think that this box was an awesome value. I really enjoy Boxycharm. $134 was the total value of this box. I would say for $21, it was definitely worth it. I'm really happy with everything that we got in this box. And I just want to let you guys know that I did sign up for the Boxy Luxe box. So that is a new thing that Boxycharm is doing. Every 3 months, there will be a Boxy Luxe box. So there will be, you know, more luxury products in the box. And so on top of the $21, I'm paying $28. So a total of like $50 for just that month. So the next box is in December. So I'm gonna pay the $21 and the $28 for that box. And then every month after that, it's just $21. And then when it comes again time for the Boxy Luxe, it'll be the $21 and the $28. So it'll be $50 just for the month that we get the Boxy Luxe boxes. So I'm excited to try that out. I know a lot of people said they liked it, so I'm interested to see if there's gonna be anything in there that makes the box even more worth it. I love Boxycharm. If you guys haven't tried it out, then I would totally suggest going on, signing up for the box. It's totally worth it. I get a lot of my favorite products from the Boxycharm. Please go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I like to post about plus size fashion and makeup, and I'm always over there. I try to post once a day, and I really love Instagram, so if you're interested in following me over there, I am Amanda Yasmin89 on Instagram. I will link my Instagram down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, be your own kind of beautiful. Toodles for now. Boxy Luxe Boss. We don't want it to be too shimmery.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.